Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to subtotal in Excel shortcut. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to subtotal of amount column. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the subtotal. Okay, select the subtotal functions and remove this bracket and use the Control A, the shortcut key, to open the function argument for subtotal dialog box. Here in function number, enter the line number to sum of this amount, and in the reference select the range of data. Click on this arrow and select the range of data. Again click on this arrow and here you can see the range is selected. You can check here data also. After that click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the subtotal is calculated. In subtotal, when you filter some data, the amount will change accordingly filters the data. Here I select a cell, apply the filter, Shift Control L, the shortcut key to apply the filter. Then click on the arrow and here filter some items. Here you can see the amount will change, the subtotal amount is changed accordingly filters. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.